Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most legendary muscle cars reimagined for the future, the 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby Super Snake. This beast is all about raw power, aggressive styling, and advanced technology, all wrapped into one stunning package. If you're a muscle car fan, you'll want to stick around for every detail. Let's get into it. Body panels. The body panels of the 2026 Shelby Super Snake have been crafted with lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber reinforcements. This reduces weight while enhancing rigidity, making the car more aerodynamic and stable at high speeds. Sculpted lines, widened fenders, and functional vents scream performance while still honoring the Mustang's classic silhouette. Headlights. The headlights are full LED units with laser precision lighting. Not only do they provide superior nighttime visibility, but they also feature dynamic turn signals and Mustang's iconic tri-bar LED signature, instantly recognizable on the road. Taillights. At the back, the taillights maintain the legendary 3-bar Mustang design but with a futuristic twist to sequential LED lighting. These don't just look aggressive, they improve visibility and bring a unique flair every time you brake or signal. Grille. The front grille has been reworked with a larger, honeycomb mesh design featuring the bold Shelby Cobra emblem. It's functional too, channeling air to cool the massive engine and brakes while giving the car its menacing road presence. Seats. Inside, the seats are race-inspired Recaro Sport buckets wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara. With heating, cooling, and adjustable bolstering, they keep you comfortable on long drives while locking you in place for spirited track days. Dashboard. The dashboard is modern yet driver-focused. A mix of carbon fiber, brushed aluminum, and soft touch materials creates a premium feel, while the digital instrument cluster offers customizable performance modes perfect for daily driving or racing. Infotainment system. The infotainment system features Ford's latest Sync 5, displayed on a 13-inch touchscreen. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands, while a premium BO sound system delivers an immersive audio experience. But let's be real, the best soundtrack is coming from under the hood. Steering wheel. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed, wrapped in Alcantara with Shelby badging. Integrated paddle shifters and multifunction controls put everything you need at your fingertips, making it as functional as it is stylish. Engine. Now to the heart of the beast in the engine. The 2026 Shelby Super Snake is powered by a supercharged 5.0-liter V8, tuned to deliver an eye-watering 830 horsepower. This engine is all about brutal acceleration, monstrous torque, and the kind of sound that makes the ground shake. Top speed? Well into the 200 miles per hour range. Hybrid option. Unlike some performance cars of the future, the Shelby Super Snake stays true to its roots. There's no hybrid option here, it's all about pure gasoline-fueled muscle. This is a car for enthusiasts who want unfiltered performance. Airbags. Safety hasn't been overlooked. The Super Snake comes with a full set of airbags, including front, side, curtain, and knee protection. The chassis is reinforced for crash safety, ensuring you're as protected as possible while driving a high-powered machine. Parking assist. To balance its aggressive performance, the car also offers parking assist technology. With rear-view cameras, parking sensors, and optional 360-degree surround view, even this muscle car can slip into tight spots with ease. Battery. The Super Snake uses a high-capacity 12-volt lithium-ion battery, lighter and more efficient than traditional lead-acid units. It helps reduce overall weight while ensuring quick and reliable starts every time. Lighting. Ambient interior lighting gives the cabin a customizable atmosphere, while exterior LED and laser lighting ensure maximum visibility. The car even features sequential welcome lighting when you unlock it, making it feel alive before you start it up. Charging. Since this is a traditional performance car, there's no plug-in charging needed. The alternator keeps the battery charged, focusing purely on driving thrills without electrification and distractions. Trunk space. The trunk space is practical for a high-performance coupe. It can handle a set of golf clubs, weekend bags, or track gear, giving you a nice balance of utility with your horsepower. Folding seats. The rear seats feature a 50-50 split folding function, so if you need to expand cargo capacity, you can. But let's be honest, most buyers are more concerned with speed than luggage space. Roof rails. As expected, there are no roof rails on this muscle machine. The Super Snake is built for track days and highways, not carrying cargo pods. It's all about speed, not storage. Price. The 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby Super Snake is expected to start around $115,000, with fully loaded versions pushing beyond $130,000. It's a high price, but one that reflects the exclusivity, performance, and heritage of this legendary nameplate. Release date. The 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby Super Snake will officially hit dealerships in late 2025. Meanwhile, the 2026 Toyota Corolla will roll into showrooms earlier, around mid-2025. Ending note. And that wraps up our full review of the 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby Super Snake, a true modern muscle car that refuses to compromise. From its aggressive styling and luxurious interior to its monstrous V8 power, it's built for enthusiasts who crave adrenaline. What do you think? Does the Super Snake keep the muscle car spirit alive in 2026? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.